Subject EVS, Standard 2nd. Hello students, myself Pratima Singh. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, how to keep sharp instruments safe. We use sharp instruments and pointed instruments like knife, vegetable cutter, scissor, blade, injection series, needles, screwdriver, safety pins, rounder, nail cutter, and cutters, etc. for various uses at home and in school. Children, if we do not handle these instruments safely and carefully, we may get hurt. So always remember the following while handling these instruments. First and foremost, we do not touch any of these instruments if you do not need them. Children, for keeping and safe handling of these sharp instruments, the following instruction should be followed. For a few months before using these instruments, take the guidance of elders in the family. Do not use or touch the sharp edges of blade of knife. Hold the knife firmly on the handle. The razor blade has sharpness on both the sides. Care should be taken while handling it. Never leave the cutter open. Children, do not leave the pair of scissors open. If you have to hand over a sharp or pointed instrument to anybody, always face the pointed part to your side and the handle the safer side to the opposite person. Do not keep needles, pins, etc. anywhere in the open. Such things get lost easily. They can prick you anytime and anywhere. Children, to avoid this situation, always stick the pins and needles on a magnet. When a glass is broken, collect the glass pieces carefully without touching them. Use broom or cloth to collect them and throw them in the dustbin. Do not handle the fine glass pieces with your hands. To collect the small glass pieces, moisture a piece of cloth and collect the small pieces of glass and throw them in the bin. Children, do not use all these instruments as playthings. Never keep any of the sharp instruments like nail cutter, safety pin or paper cutter, scissor open. Close it properly after the use. Most and important, never play with fire. Never touch electric wires, switches and plugs. Points to be remembered, children, what we had learned today. Never play with any sharp, pointed and heavy instruments at home or in school. Keep the instruments in its proper place after use. Now, I am going to ask you some questions regarding what we had learned today. Name any two work do with the help of scissor. We cut vegetables and fruits with the help of scissors. Can you tell me what instruments do you use to cut your nails? We use nail cutter to cut our nails. Do you use all these sharp instruments as playthings? No, we do not use all these sharp instruments as playthings. Now children, let's do some activity. Draw any two sharp instruments which are uses by barber. Name and color the instruments which you use in your home. Today's homework will be exercise. Write yes or no of the given sentences. First, you will play with a knife in the kitchen. Second, if you find a needle or pin on the floor, you will gently pick it up. Third, touch your father's razor in the bathroom. Fourth, close the scissors and put in the drawer. I hope children you had enjoyed lesson very well. Thank you.